just take the example here of Celtic Cider. So let's pop down to our Celtic Cider company, and we'll click on all devices. So let's say we have a device that's in Leeds, and all of a sudden this user's moved to the Boston office. So we want to move the device to the Boston office instead. So what we can do is click on the device we want to move, click on Move Devices. It then will give us an option of where we want to move it to. So I'm going to choose Boston in this case because it's my only other alternative location. And then I can click on Next, and then it will ask me to use the destination probe for monitoring, what probe we want to use, and then click on Next again, check the profiles, we click on Finish, that will move the device as such. So if I go ahead and click on Finish now, we should see that it's moved successfully. So this is device, I think was at 0114. We can say it's now in the Boston site. So if we pop down to the Boston site, we now have 0114 there. If we want to move it back to the Leeds site, for example, again, we can click on Move Devices here. I choose to do it from the level above. And we'll click on 114, move device, and again, I can pop it back then. Oh, I'm having issues here. Typical. This is why we shouldn't be running release candidates, but that's an argument for me to have internally with my colleagues as well. But again, you can just move that back then as such. So it's just simply select the devices, move devices, and that will allow you to move it or Herbert to whichever location you want. You can also move it to different sites. So, if you have Celtic Cider, for example, but you install the wrong agent and it needs to be in, Tray Research, you can also move devices to other sites within your in-central environment as well.